Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time to go further things with the GraphQL. Or in the last part we have seen that how we can implement the GraphQL in ASP.NET Core. There we have installed a hot chocolate package to use it. Or after along with that we wrote a basic query to get the books data. So in the past video, it was a very important section. If you are watching this video for the first time, I just want to request that please go to the part one, or you will get to know the entire things, and you will be able to set up the things here. Okay, now it's time to discuss that I will do the CRUD operations using the GraphQL, or I will tell you that what type of changes that I have made so that you can do the same in your application as well. Or I have created the services. Okay, there I have done so many things here, like get books, get book by ID, by name, insert book, update book, or delete book. So I have created those kind of services, and it is the basic services. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. Or there I have created the query class. In the query class, I have wrote the services which is related to the getting the data. Or if you want to do the CRUD operations using insert, update, or delete, then you have to mention these things in the notation class. And it is a global practice, and it is a and this kind of practice is following in the entire world. Okay, so make sure that whenever you do the things like that, then you have to maintain the services in the query or mutation class as well. Or if I tell you that what I have made changes in the programs here. Okay, so I have registered my application DB context. Along with that, I have registered my services, and make sure that guys, while you are working uh, with the uh, database related things, then you have to uh, register the both queries as a scoped. Okay, so I have registered these queries in the scoped lifetime. Okay, along with that, in the last part you see that I have added the GraphQL server. Okay, with the query or mutation class. Okay, so such kind of things I have made changes for this video. Okay, now it's time to go beyond the things that he had discussed in the part one. Okay, so what I will do here, simply I will run the application, then I will show you that how we can do the CRUD operations using the GraphQL. And it is a very important thing to know, because in the real world applications we will definitely do the CRUD operations related things. Okay, so you should know entire things there. Okay, now I will open the GraphQL server. Okay, and you know it very well that how we can open the GraphQL server. Simply I will just click. I will create a document, and this is the request document. What I will do here, first I will check that have any records available in the table. Okay, so simply I will just go to the post one. Okay, and we will write the queries in the GraphQL server or Postman as well. Okay, now what I will do here, simply I will write the query class. First you have to call the query or mutation class. Along with after that you have to mention that what method you want to call. Okay, and along with that you have to tell to the query editor that what parameter you want in the things. Okay, or let me check that what is changes made in the models. Okay, so author, along with genre or title ID. Okay, not ID, it is title. Okay, so and guys, make sure that all things are that you are mentioning here, it should be following the camel casing. Okay, and I will send request, then we will see that what data is available in the table. Okay, so it will return me the empty books. Okay, it means that there is no any data. Okay, So simply I will try to insert the data using the mutation class, because we have declared the insert method in the mutation class. Along with that, I will use the method insert book. Okay, or after that, what I will do here, simply I will just pass the book here. Okay, or I will need author. Author is Robert Martin. Okay, or along with that, uh, title of the book is CS Fundamentals. Okay, or along with that, I have to write the uh, genre is software engineering. Okay, like this. Or simply I will send the request, then you will get the date response that book inserted successfully. Okay, so here you see that how we can send the request. So this is the method. In the brackets you see that I have passed the book object. In the book object I have mentioned the things here. Okay, or simply I run this query. Okay, so in this way we can insert the data using the GraphQL. Okay, if you run this query again, then you will see that we are getting the data that we have inserted so far. Okay, now it's time to update the data, and it is a very important thing to know. Okay, now, along with that, what I will do here, I'm working in the ID 2. Okay. Now, or if you want to see the changes that everything is working or not, I will just write the gender is updated. Okay. And I will run this query again, that you will found that book updated successfully message, or I will run this query again, then you will see that the data is changes here. Okay, and we can see the changes like this. Okay, so I have done the things that how we can insert or update the data. Now it's up to you that how you can delete the data. Okay, and and it's time to prove yourself that you have learned the GraphQL related things, and you can do the CRUD operations in the GraphQL. Okay, so the rest things is on up to you, and you have to delete the data on your own. Okay, or let me give you a very basic idea that what you have to do. So what I will do here, this is the delete method. Okay, or what I will do, simply it is passing the same parameter. Okay, so I want to tell you to do the things here related deleted book. Okay, you have to do on your own. Okay, so let me get the data by the ID. Okay, so I will just use the query. Okay, or book by ID. Okay, I need ID which should be uh, ID is 2. Okay, or what parameter I need here, I need author, title, along with that genre. Okay, or simply I will run the request, then you can get the data by ID. So I hope you know things here, and you get to know the things about the GraphQL and CRUD operations related to the GraphQL, or there we are using the .NET 9 application. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. Or guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. Or guys, I, I I just want to give you an information. I am working on a website. Okay, and it is our official website. There you can find such interesting uh, blogs and videos related to the software engineering, coding and programming. Okay, which is related to the JavaScript, .NET, AIML, SQL as well. Okay, so you can find everything in the website. Okay, and we are currently working on it. Okay, so please wait for some days. Okay, the website will be live, then I will inform you as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you guys, and thank you for watching this video till here. So till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.